Welcome to all of you. Today we will know about the Nagaland's biggest festival, Hornbill Festival, which is also known as the festival of all festivals. It is one of the most eagerly awaited festivals in the state, with all major tribes participating in the festivities. Hornbill has become an important festival in India's cultural calendar. It even received the Prime Minister's stamp of approval when Narendra Modi became the first Indian head of state to attend it. While Kohima is the capital of Nagaland, but the main venue of the Hornbill Festival is the Naga heritage village Kisama, some 12 kilometers south of Kohima. Kisama is an open air museum that showcases various aspects of Naga life, from homes to morgue or bachelors of dormitories. Kisama offers a fascinating insight into the life and culture of various Naga tribes. The festival itself is organized with the aim to protect and showcase the diverse culture and traditions of Nagaland. The festival gets its name from the Indian hornbill. The hornbill is a common bird among the folklores and tribes of Nagaland and can be commonly seen prancing around the forests of Nagaland. The different tribes in Nagaland addresses their culture with utter respect and thus find it purely essential to grace the festival with their cultural presence. And so it is celebrated with such pride and gusto. The festival is being celebrated since 16 years now. While it started out as a melange of cultural exhibit in the year 2000 is still getting stronger every year. The aim of this festival is to ensure Naga culture and preserve and protect it. The Hornbill festival is celebrated annually. The festival opens in the first week of December each year. The government of Nagaland organizes the cultural event. The celebration stretches between the expense from 1st December to 7th December. Kohima is the capital of city of Nagaland, is the initial location where the festival takes place. So what happens on this day? There are religious and ceremonial parades. Then each tribe has their own ceremonial performance that is elegantly beautiful and delivered in an eccentric manner. Then energetic traditional folk dance and musical performances that ensue during the gradual course of events is closely knit and representation of cultural heritage of Nagaland. Various sports, crafts, dance, fashion shows, beauty competitions are held. Naga culture and ethnicity are performed and enjoyed during the festival to bring out the competitive spirit in the people. The festival is lush with various food, games, songs, musicals, concerts, and entertainment to keep the lively spirit of the celebrations going on. The traditional artwork, woodcrafts, handicrafts, sculptures, paintings, and wood carvings are displayed. Sales and exhibitions of these art places are held. There are also herbal medicine stalls and display of flower shows. The Hornbill International Rock Festival is a significant highlight of the Hornbill Festival. Various local and international rock bands perform at Indira Gandhi Stadium. The celebration and concerts are carried out throughout the night. So this is all about the Nagaland Festival. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, then subscribe the channel, share the video, and do comments. Thanks a lot once again for watching this video.